Welcome to SmowCode. Today we will learn digital alarm clock. This is the circuit. Now open SmowCode. In the right hand corner we see project new. Then type your project name, digital alarm clock, or anything you want. Don't leave any space, just leave underscore. Then click on create project. Now bring the cursor on the screen and right click the mouse and search for on start. Now with the help of cursor select it and you can move it using cursor. Then next node we will search for is Wi-Fi start. Then we can again click it with our cursor, move it, then join these two nodes. Then double tap on Wi-Fi start. You can see a pencil icon, select it, you can select the name, then SSID. You can type here router name, whatever Wi-Fi you are using. Then in type password. Once you type password, select done. Then the next node we will search for is SNTP. So search for it. Join these two nodes. The next node we will select is delay. Search for delay. We will join this in series. The next node is changed time zone. So change time zone or applied time we will select. Then select on interval. Next will be RTC, get timestamp. Then we will join display. Double tap on display node and then we will in text type time this text. Then the next node will be LCD clear. Join these two nodes. Double tap on LCD clear. Then go into pencil icon. Then we can select pin number. Then click on done. The next node will be LCD print. Here we have to double tap on it. Then again we have to go in pencil icon. Here you can select the pin numbers. Then upgrade it. Then the text, we will type the same text we typed on display node. After you are done, then we have to select done. The next node we will select is read. Then we will join this node. Double tap on a read node. We can select here pin number, so we will give it pin 2. The next node we will select is set value. Then instead of var we will type r equals to pin underscore level. So here it will be pin number whatever we choose. So read node. Then again we will choose another read node. Here pin number, let's take it 4. Then the set value node. Double tap on it. Here we will select minutes. Minutes equals to pin underscore level. So the next node we will select is if node. Double tap on if node. Then we will give the condition hours equal to 14. It's 2 p.m. We are setting the time. You can change it later. Then the next node we will select is again if node. then this time the condition will be minutes equal to, so let's take it as 30 minutes. Then the next node will be seconds, so this time the condition will be seconds is less than 3. So select done. After that, for two conditions we will select speaker or sound node, join this node, then go in pencil icon. You can select here output pin. I had given it 5, then done. The next we will need again a sound node. This time the condition we have to set is off, so switch off. Go in pencil icon. Here you can select output pin, then upgrade it and select done. Now if you want to add another frequency too, then select a delay. After selecting delay, double tap on the node. Here you can edit period, so I had given 3 seconds, then click on done. The next node we will need is sound node. Join these two nodes, double tap on it. Here you can edit the frequency, then click on done. So as you can see, our code is ready. Save it and verify. So after the verification, join ESP32 using USB. Then you can upload this code to your ESP. This is digital alarm clock using SmowCode. Thanks for watching.